How to use tags in Zoho CRM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Zoho CRM. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Alright, first, head over to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're on the site, you'll probably be asked to sign in. If you see the option to sign in with Google, click that. It's the fastest way in. Choose your Google account and you'll be taken right into your Zoho CRM dashboard. Now that you're in, let's head over to the Leads module. That's where we'll add our tag for this example. Click on Leads in the left sidebar. Once you're there, scroll through your list and pick the lead you want to tag. To the right of the lead's name, you'll see 3 dots. Click those. A menu will pop up, and from that menu, select Add Tags. Now type in whatever tag you want to assign. It could be something like high priority, follow-up needed, or a specific campaign name like webinar sign up. Basically, anything that helps you quickly identify and group similar leads. Once you've typed your tag, hit save. And that's it. Your tag is now attached to that lead. You'll see it listed right there with the contact, and you can even use it later to filter and sort your data. So that's how to use tags in Zoho CRM. It's super simple, but makes a big difference in how you manage your data. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Zoho CRM tips coming your way. See you in the next one.